sign of renewal, a sign of rebirth, and also a sign of success. There are different stories about Nowruz, but for us, the Kurdish people in Iraq, we have been celebrating that on the eve of Nowruz, on the 21st, when fire is lit, and that symbolizes success and victory over tyranny. Even during the most difficult times, whenever people were deprived of the right of celebrating that, we used to challenge dictatorship and practice that right. It's a sense of belonging, it's a sense of inclusiveness, it's a sense of cultural identity. For us, it has been important in order to stand in the face of dictatorship and celebrate that. Therefore, Nowruz gives all the meaning that the previous speakers have mentioned, because it is about the same values that the United Nations have been established upon, and also it's about a sense of belonging, but also a sense of reconciliation. When people celebrate that on the eve, the next day people would be going out picnicking spontaneously. It's about family reunion, it's about giving meaning to life, and also it's to end up with winter and start spring, which in itself is about nature, is about environment, is about a cultural identity. Therefore, we welcome in the Kurdistan region, we welcome the inclusion and also the decision that was made to consider Nowruz as an international day of Nowruz for all the people who celebrate that. But it gives us another opportunity for the people of the world those who share the same values and who have a common understanding of life in order to work together for a better future for the people. Once again, thank you for this opportunity, and we hope that with the Nowruz, with the new day, and also which is the sign of Kurdish New Year, it's 2714, the Kurdish year, New Year. We hope that the world becomes more peaceful, becomes more tolerant, and more cooperative. Although we are facing lots of challenges around the world, but we still hope that working together we will be able to overcome the challenges facing us. Once again, thank you. Hamur Ojekta Nowruz, Nowruz Tam Pirozbir. Happy Nowruz.